What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So yeah, today's goal is to remove these fans off of here and the actual radiator out of there and all of this old AC stuff out of here because none of this is going to be needed anymore. So let's start taking some stuff out of here. Now I think we can take the fans off of there. So yeah, there's one fan, there's two fans, and this pops right off of there. And now everything to the other side to take off the front side of the bumper, or the front side of the radiator. It's held in by a couple. Now with all that being said and taken out, you can remove the radiator now. Awesome. And then the AC is attached to it. The AC part is attached to it. So this is the new radiator. It's just a super dope aluminum radiator. And that one was a piece of crap. So I just upgraded it to an aluminum radiator. So this is the radiator. Right here, and it has the mounting points that the other one had, which is pretty dope. So pretty excited about this. And first, right, but see, now I don't have no room to sit because the fans have to go in. I really wouldn't have anywhere to mount it because the fans need to go in there. Don't be looking at my toes, y'all. It really wouldn't go in because the fans need to go in there. So that's why I was thinking that it probably would be better mounted on the front side. So this is how I wanted it to sit at the bottom like that. But I don't know if it's gonna work. I can sit a screw in there, right there, maybe to make it mount in there. But then I don't know if the radiator itself is going to be able to sit in its housing spot. You understand what I'm saying? So that's my dilemma. Maybe I should just mount the radiator in there and then come back and find another space, another spot to mount the oil cooler. So this is what I did, right? I took this zip tie thingamajiggy that they put in the box. I slid it through this hole, pulled it out, just like that, right? Maybe I'm doing this right, maybe I ain't. Maybe I'm just a genius, you know? Maybe I'm just a genius. And then I took it and ran it up through this hole that's inside of the fan. So took it up and ran it through the hole that's inside of the fan right there. Then took this little cap part like this, put it on the top of it, like that, and just tightened it down like a normal zip tie. And then tighten it down like a normal zip tie. Now, is that correct? Maybe it is. Is it wrong? Maybe it is. Who knows? But I put a normal screw in that side and it seems to be pretty sturdy right there. So I'm gonna have to do a couple of some more of my famous fabrication and cut off like this part right here, so this can line up there, that can line up there, and those over there can line up, because right now it doesn't because of this. So I might have to get my alright. Truth be told, I probably should have hit it with some trim paint and brought it back black. I probably made it look so much better. I don't know, if this video get 10 likes, I'll come back and paint it. I'll come back and trim paint it black. I actually need to steal some things off of this radiator, like that temp sensor that is brand new, and my hose, and I kind of want to steal this drain off of there too, because I kind of like it. It's an easy way to drain it, so I wonder if I can steal that off of there too. Let's see. That's gonna be a tight fit. Let me do some more cutting here. And then all of this right here was rusted. It stood no chance. So instead of replacing it, I'll just grab another radiator. And yeah, hopefully that'll just kill that problem. So old radiator, and this is the new radiator setup. So I might have to run up to a Home Depot to grab some L brackets, because I don't think I'm going to be able to mount it because there's not really enough space to push the bracket in there. So I might either get some spacers, a bunch of washers, some spacers to make space, or I'll probably just go up to Home Depot and buy some L brackets, and then maybe I can even mount it under right here, or on this side under right here. I don't know, but I might need some L brackets, so gotta go run up there and grab some L brackets. But other than that, I guess I'll catch you guys in the next video. See that little nipple right there? That nipple is for the master clutch cylinder, and this is the rest of it. It all broke off. Maybe it was just old and broke. Maybe I broke it. Who knows? But it broke off. So now I have to order a new master cylinder for there. So fun. Just something else that I broke.